Hello friends, how are you? So today I'm going to make a very special video. I'm going to show you something which I noticed. I don't know if you know, and so for that I just want to show the things which so this is my Tab S4, Galaxy Tab S4, and I also want to show you that I bought this case. I'm not a big fan of cases. I don't like to use cover, but this is a great cover, because that glass in the front, glass in the back, so it's a great cover. I think you can try to buy just to show, I'm not doing any promotion. Okay, I enjoyed this cover, so because it has a let me show you. Yeah, so it has a place to hold, so you can hold tablet like this. So it's a great cover, but this is not the why I am making this video. So what I want to show you, this is Tab S4, Samsung Tab S4, and this is Galaxy Note 8. Okay, these two great devices are here, and what I want to show you, that the S Pen which is provided on this thing, you can see that this is an S Pen is a great feature. You can do anything, you can you can write anything, you can draw anything. So what I want to show you, that the S Pen of this Tab S4 can also work on Note 8, and the S Pen of Note 8 or Note 9 of Samsung can work on this also. But there is a trick. The trick is that this is the S Pen of Tab S4, and there are a lot of things, that there is a, I am sure you are aware of that, there are so many options which is being provided by S Pen, whether live messages you can make, you can draw anything, you can write happy birthday, and then you can play this and it goes to people. So these things are there, but let me show you. So this S Pen will work here, and the S Pen of Note 8 or Note 9 will work on Tab S4. But there is the trick. The trick is that S Pen in Note 8 only works when you remove the original S Pen. Okay, for example, this is an S Pen, so it also has the same live message feature like this. So here it is working. Okay, now let me show you. So this is the S Pen of Note 8, and it will work here also. So this is, you might say that what is the big deal, but it is a big deal. It is a big deal. Why? Because if you lose your S Pen, or if something happens to your S Pen, and if you think that this S Pen is more expensive, so for emergency you can buy a cheaper version and it will work perfectly, and there is no problem. I am a teacher. I do a lot of correction. I use many times I use S Pen for correction and other feature, and it is really helpful. I can let me show you. This is screen write feature, and here you have a lot of option. You can choose the pen style, you can choose the color, so you can do anything, you can draw anything. Similarly, like this is working here, this is also working here, and here what I was trying to show you, that you can see that it is working here also, so I don't know if you think that this is a big feature, but for me, yes. And let me do a screen write. Yeah, so if I go here and then let me do screen write, and let me change the pen style, so I choose a big one, and yeah. So for example, suppose I lost this pen, I put it somewhere, okay, because so I can use this pen for emergency. And the good part, there is no feature which is not used completely, so you can use both the feature very nicely, very completely. And if we talk about the differences, then these both two devices has a lot of differences which I was not expecting. For example, when I connect this tablet to charging,
5 seconds.
yeah, so thank you so much. I will